Setting unsustainable precedent is one of a leader's biggest pitfall. A Yoruba proverb says, "What you cannot eat, do not uphold to your nose." And in this light, it means what you cannot accept for everyone, do not accept for one person. And if you do, ensure that you explain why to everyone. In emotional intelligence, consequential thinking is that competence that helps you to weigh the cost and benefits of decisions before deciding. Here is an example. Recently, 2 of my staff requested that they want to start closing early from work because of distance from home. Despite me wanting to be kind, I knew it is a precedent that I cannot sustain. While I did not agree, I made them realize how, as an organization, we already created an option for that particular issue. So make thoughtful decisions and communicate clearly as a leader. More importantly, avoid unsustainable precedents. It harms leadership.